Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing a box from Simply Gothic. I am super excited, but before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, Simply Gothic. I love Simply Gothic. The wonderful, beautiful Kirstie, Simply Spooky, contacted me and asked if I would like to unbox some of her new range. I am super duper excited. I'm pretty sure that it is a stationery range, but I've been deliberately looking at her socials but not looking too hard because I don't want to, you know, ruin everything that's going to be in the box, because I know she's been teasing some of the products. So I am very, very excited to see what is in here. I have so much Simply Gothic stationery already. I have amazing list packs. I've got like a tick list pack. I have a weekly planner. I use that to do all of my meals. I've got like a special to-do list pack. It's just an amazing stuff, and I particularly love my Gothic planner. It is beautiful. I love it. I use it all the time. It's so handy to plan out what's going on in the week, to put meals in, etc. Brilliant item. Love it. And let's see what is in this box today. I've cut the tape already so that you don't have to watch me hacking at it with scissors, but I have no idea what is in here, so let's open it. As usual, it's beautifully packed. It's always beautifully packed here. So this time we've got, look, here lies your order sticker. That's always beautifully presented. I love the black tissue paper. I always try and save it because, you know, it's stuck. No, I've ripped it. Oh well, wow, there's so much stuff in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go for the first thing on top. As usual, beautiful candy striped paper bag, and again this one, it says thank you on a sticker at the front. That's really cute. Love it. Ooh, I wonder what this is. Oh no, I don't want to tear through the sticker. There we go. I'm going to try and pull it off. There we go. So it's pens. Oh, I saw these pop up on her stories. Oh my god, they're so cool, they're so me. Okay, I'm going to take them out of the packaging because it's noisy and then you can see them properly, so just give me a sec. So we have the pens. Oh, I flipping love it. So we have a black one here that says, "You've got this." Oh, I love it. Oh, they're really nice. They've got like a rubberized grip on there. Love it. Ooh, that is going to be nice to write with. I love it. And they are the pop cap ones. You've got one of these little arm things there so that you can tag it onto your book. Very excited to use that. This one is got little tombstones on it that say RIP. It's just really cool. And then this one, I think this is my favourite. This is red with bats. Signature Heavy Metal Momma colours there. Love it. We've got 3 biros here. Now, we have to test them out. I've just noticed she's put a little note in here. I'm going to just quickly scribble on the back before I read it out for you guys. It's black ink. Phew, I was worried it was going to be blue. I hate blue pens, but I did think she's going to pick black. If she gets the choice between blue and black, she's going to pick black. I love a black biro. These are going to take pride of place in my stationery drawer. These are going to be absolutely do not touch, kids. I'm very particular about my pens, and this feels lovely. I'm so excited to actually get to use these. Right, so on one of these cute little note papers we have a little note that says, "Thank you so much for collaborating with me again. I've included some notepads, memo pads and notebooks from the newest collection, which is launching Friday the 19th at 6 p.m. It's Friday the 19th. It's a little bit later than 6 p.m, but yes, so this collection is live. Go check it out. You can use the code HEAVYMETAL15 for a 15% discount off of everything. And she said, thanks again, Kirstie. Thank you, Kirstie, for asking me to collab with you. And I love opening your stuff. And look at these little notepads. This is so cool. I needed something like this. This, you know, yeah, wanted something small that I can write notes on. Love it. I'm so, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Thank you so much. So we have pens, we have notepads. Love it. Right, what else have we got in here? Well, so we have her business card with all the socials on there. I will of course put them on the corner of the screen. And if you buy one of the anything from there, you can use a code to download the free ebook. I think if I remember rightly, it's also linked on her website, which is, I think the ebook's like about how to be more confident and that kind of thing. It's just very, very cool. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, we've got a little bunny ghosty sticker. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's so cute. He's holding like a little Easter bunny basket with little gothy Easter egg. I flipping love it. It's so cute. My daughter's going to be fighting me for those. Oh, awesome. I asked if she could put one of these in for me because we need these to go on our kitchen wall. We have some really cool pictures for the kitchen, and I needed another one of these to go up. So thank you, Kirstie. That's awesome. You'll see that when I eventually get around to doing our home tour. We just still haven't finished decorating. It's taking forever. It's the problem with working shifts. I'm never in. So, right, we have, oh, it's lined as well. We have a lovely little lined notebook with little red spiderweb hearts on there. I love it, I love it. Lovely black cover, red spiderweb hearts. That's just so cool. So me. Oh, this is going to be perfect. This is like the perfect handbag size little notebook. I love it, I love it. This is going to be so useful for all my little notes. I love a notebook, especially a lined notebook. I really like it being lined. That really, really suits me. Oh, and she's put more of the little bat confetti in there. That's fantastic. That's going to be all over my table here. Oh, and we've got a slightly bigger lined pad as well. I just love a notebook. It's my obsession. So, I'm not allowed in stationery departments in places like WH Smith's and stuff because I just go a bit mad. So this is scratching that itch very much. So this one has got little ghosties and little bats all over it, and then again we've got lines. So this one, the spacing on the lines is a little bit wider than the littler book, but I mean that makes sense, doesn't it? You're gonna write a little bit smaller, but I love it. I love it that it's lined. I'm obsessed with being neat, so it being lined really, really appeals to me. And then I saw this on the website. It's a coffin-shaped notepad. It's got little bats all around the side, and then the writing part is coffin-shaped and it says notes. Do you know what? I was thinking today, I was like, I don't want to write a note on my tick pad because it's for ticking. And I need to leave me and Heavy Metal Hubby, we've got a lot going on, and I was like, I need to try and write down what we've got to get done and in what order and blah blah blah, and it doesn't lend itself to the tick pad. This is perfect. This is perfect. Thank you, Kirstie. You are helping me keep myself organised because I've got a lot going on at the moment. So my brain hurts a little bit from all the things that are going on at the moment, especially because I'm now working more hours at the design studio, so I've got 2 different jobs to think about, and running the house and running this channel and making content for Instagram and TikTok and all of that jazz. My brain hurts quite a lot sometimes. I did forget to go into one of the kids like parents join us for craft afternoon the other day because I had too much going on. I did feel very guilty, but yeah, never mind, eh? You got to drop the ball sometimes, keep you human. But this one says notes, and then you've got, look, these tombstones at the bottom. We've got RIP, rest in peace, and then you've got these bats around the edge. I love it. I love it. These are so flipping cool. Now we are at the bottom of the box now. I love the fact that, look, it's even recycled card and stuff that she uses. Stunning packaging again, as always, beautifully packed, and I mean, look at this new range. I absolutely love it. So just to recap, we have the 2 notepads, we have the coffin notepad, and we have the tombstone notepad. Absolutely love it. These are like lift up and tear off. Oh, I will use that in a minute. It's decided for me which one I'm using. And then we have these notebooks. We have a large notebook with ghosties and bats on, and a smaller notebook with spider webs in a heart shape on them. These are going to be fantastic for handbags. This one particularly is going to be really great in like a clutch bag if you're going out for an evening, because it's quite thin, so you can slot it in nicely, but still, you know, have a little notebook, because I'm forever a mum and will always need to have supplies like that with me, even when I'm on a night out. We've got this lovely little, again, rip off notepad section. Love these. They're not post-its, just in case you were thinking they were post-its. I'm not a huge fan of post-its. They tend to end up stuck to things you don't want them, and or then they don't stick to things. I would rather just have a little note and leave it on the pad. And then we have the pens, which write in black. They have these lovely rubberized grips on them. In fact, you know what, we're gonna, oh yes, there we are. Yes, really comfortable. They're a really nice weight, black ink, again, really, really cool what's in there, and they clicker down, so you don't have to worry about them writing all over the inside of your handbag, etc. So that is all the stationery that I received in the Simply Gothic new collection. I'm not sure if I think there might be another notepad. I'm not sure. This is the thing, I was trying not to look too hard. I knew that there were some notepads, but I tried not to look too hard at what they were. So there may be a couple of extra items in the collection, or that might be the whole thing. I'm not sure, but go check out Simply Gothic's website. I will, of course, put the URL here. Remember, you can use that code HEAVYMETAL15 to get 15% off. She also has tons and tons of beautiful jewellery, as well as the amazing Gothic planner. I love my Gothic planner so much. It is so useful. It's like diary with note sections, and it's just phenomenal. Absolutely love that thing. It's stunning. The quality of the cover and that kind of thing, just brilliant. Go watch the video where I unbox that one, because yeah, you will not regret it if you get yourself one. So many other beautiful stationery items and so much jewellery, so much jewellery. I loved the last round of jewellery that I got from her, particularly the coffins with the bats inside them. They are beautiful. I took them on holiday and got quite a few compliments when I was out wearing them as well. So go check out Simply Gothic and support Kirstie in her lovely small business. I just absolutely love seeing what she's doing and what she's getting up to. So creative. So let me know down in the comments below which is your favourite item. Let me know if you have anything from her stationery range. What is your favourite item of stationery from her? What is your favourite item of jewellery from her? I would love for you to let me know. And remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.